front of me is OPPO A5m, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select System and Update. Now mark Backup and Reset and go to Google account. Now mark data that you want to backup. If you do not have your account added to this device yet, your Google account obviously, you need to provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with this account, along with the password, and then you will be also able to mark those info, then tap on confirm. And that's it. From now on your backup is active. If you want to customize it a bit, just select manage backup, and here you can do it. But over here you've got the toggle on, which means your backup is active. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.